Hi guys, welcome to the next section, Face Recognition Using Deep Convolutional Network. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with downloading and loading the MIT-CBCL dataset into the memory. With a predicted worth of $15 billion by 2025, the biometrics industry is poised to grow like never before. Some of the examples of physiological characteristics used for biometric authentication include fingerprints, DNA, face, retina or ear features, and voice. While technologies such as DNA authentication and fingerprints are quite advanced, face recognition brings its own advantages to the table. Ease of use and robustness due to recent developments in deep learning models are some of the driving factors behind face recognition algorithms gaining so much popularity. The MIT-CBCL dataset is composed of 3,240 images. In our model, we will make arrangements to augment the data in order to increase model robustness. We will employ techniques such as shifting the subject, rotation, zooming, and shearing of the subject to obtain this augmented data. We will use 20% of the dataset to test our model by randomly selecting these images from the dataset. Similarly, we randomly select 80% of the images in the dataset and use this as our training dataset. The biggest challenge is cropping the images to the exact same size so that they can be fed into the neural network. It is a known fact that it is much easier to design a network when all the input images are of the same size. However, since some of the subjects in these images have a side profile or rotated or tilted profiles, we have to adapt our network to take input images of different sizes. First, we will download the MIT-CBCL dataset by visiting the Face Recognition homepage, which contains a number of databases for face recognition experiments. We will navigate down to the link that is named MIT-CBCL Face Recognition Database and click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it will take you to a license page on which you are required to accept the license agreement and proceed to the download page. Once on the download page, we click on Download Now. We will save the file in the working directory. This downloads a zip file of about 116 megabytes. Once the download is completed, we go ahead and extract the contents into the working directory. Once the dataset is extracted, you will see a folder titled MIT-CBCL-FaceRec-database. We will only be using the images in the training-synthetic folder, which contains all 3,240 images, as you can see here. We would require these libraries to be imported by Python. For more information on Matplotlib, you can visit this website. After that, we have NumPy. For more information on NumPy, you can visit this link. Another library is Keras. You can visit this website to get more knowledge on Keras. The last one is TensorFlow. You can visit this link to get more details on TensorFlow.